This is the second part I will introduce how to disable the feature. Okay. Firstly, disarm, and then you open the CARDOT. This is green cable, negative. So I touch the ground. This is ground. Okay. You will hear beep sound from the relay click sound from this majority. The second step. Thirdly, hold it, let engine running. Okay, this is third step. And the fourth step, use this cable, this foot brake cable, orange black touch tail power. 5 times you will hear beep sound, and this feature is disabled. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. beep sound. Okay, this feature is disabled. I remove green just like you close the CARDOT. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay, stop. Now I have disabled this feature. Okay. Let us check if this feature is disabled or not. Let us prove that. Unlock. Start. Okay, running. Engine running. This is foot brake. On the black cable. Wait almost 10 seconds, and then you press foot brake. If it moves, my operation is failed. If it doesn't move, it means my operation is successful. Okay. I touched the tail power. It never moves because I have disabled successful.